Hey, thanks for stopping by for another edition of Tyler's Take Product Reviews. I've got a really cool product that I'd like to show you. I'm pretty excited about it. So stick around to find out what it is. Hey, thanks for sticking around. Today we're talking about the Aqirui Lightbox, the soft lightbox system for video recording such as what I'm doing today, or photography, indoors, outdoors, that sort of stuff, just where you need that extra lighting. And the nice thing is it has a nice soft screen, nylon silk screen mix that gives you that softer color. It's not that hard popping light that sometimes like a selfie light can give you, or it'll give you too many shadows and things like that. So this is a 20-inch by 28-inch softbox lighting system. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my other camera for a moment and overlay what we're talking about right now. All right, so here is the box system right now. Again, it features the 20 by 28 size, which is awesome. It has a 210-degree angle adjustment system on it with the tripod. The camera's a little dark, so I do apologize about that. If we come over to the other side here, we have the rotation period up top, so that can be rotated back and forth. We have some plastic clips here. These plastic nuts will allow this 2-foot section to fall into the middle one here, and you can drop 2 feet, gain 2 feet, and the like. It has the tripod system here, which is pretty sturdy itself, but it does feature a pretty cool option on top of that, which is a sandbag feature. It's kind of nice, so if you're doing some lighting changes outdoors, it gives you that option, so you can add sand or rock or things like that. But it also comes with a nice travel bag. But I just kind of want to show you what the lighting system looks like without it. I've got my selfie ring over here, so we're going to leave that going just so you can see the difference in the room. Right now, I don't have any room lights on at all. So I will show you that too as well, just to give you the full exposure of this light. I want to be able to show you how much light you're actually getting on here. So bear with me 1 second. I'm going to click it off. So as you can see, we've lost quite a bit of light. So now you can see there's a bunch of shadows over here. The rock lamp has now just kind of gone into this really just kind of a hazy glow. Here's my selfie light right now. So, I mean, it just does not give you that amount of light that you truly need. Now, if I turn my room lights on, you'll see the difference as well. Now I've got my room light on, and it is a fluorescent bulb, so you can feel the light just kind of, it just flickers. You can hear the humming of the system itself in there, and it's just not what I'm after. And so to get these soft box lights and things like that, it adds just so much more to your picture. Turn the room light off. We're back to the soft box light, and it is pretty slick. I will put the features up right now, but you can get this guy on Amazon. It is an 80% energy saving with the bulb, which is awesome. The color temperature is 55K, so it's really bright. It's just lively. The nice thing about these things too is that you can take the light and rotate it against a white wall and get the reflection light as well if it's too much. So there's so many things that you can do. As I said earlier, it's a 210 rotatable head and adjustable stand, 210 degrees that is. You can adjust that back and forth, left and right. The stand is adjustable basically 27 to 79 inches, depending on what you would like to. That is made of some premium aluminum alignment with a 1/4-inch screw mounting top. Basically, it's just going to satisfy all of your mounting needs, even if you don't use this for the light soft box. But the aluminum tripods are already sturdy, but as I mentioned, again, if you are using this outdoors, or if you just want that added stability that things aren't going to fall over, you can add that sandbag, which is pretty slick. The softbox is made of high-quality PET and maintains a good reflective performance, which is awesome. So, all right, so we've looked at the product. It is on Amazon. It's available for $39.99 right now, but you can also look at some of the options that you have with this company. You can get 2 lights, 4 lights, that sort of stuff. So based on your needs, you can get dual sets. I could have put another one over here to get some more light, but right now, this is suitable for the size room that I have. But if you're in a larger room and there's just different things that you're doing, or if you want to get some shadow effects and that sort of thing, more is better at that point. So I just wanted to be able to bring this to you. It is a great product. I am so happy with it already. I'm going to be using it for my main lighting through these product review videos as I go on. So it's the Aqirui Light box. It is on Amazon. Scroll back up there and purchase this thing. I highly recommend it. There is nothing wrong with it. There are a few Velcro spots on there, so you can replace the white part if it gets damaged or if it needs to be cleaned and stuff like that. But it also does come with another light bulb, which is a very nice factor as well. So go get you some. You won't be disappointed. I thank you so much for coming in to this product review, and have a great day. Bye-bye. Peace.